All right, Claude Opus 5 is an absolute beast when it comes to 3D modeling. This one is the medium mode with the Opus 5 in the Claude desktop app. I was talking to him. We were building the robot for the game that I'm building, and then I asked him like, hey, well, what if you try to make it this like real, like with real measurements and real data and physics, whatever. And then he came up with this design with the arms and stuff. And I came up with the engines, like the turbo shaft Apache engines with and then hydraulic system and batteries and whatever. Uh, I'm very impressed because this was done in medium mode, and he basically did an awesome job at creating these shapes and whatnot. And every wire that you see there is accounted for. It has a logic behind it. Even even the wires inside of the cockpit as well. And yeah, he calculated even the recoil of the main cannon there, which is nuts. Pretty cool, right?